So this is a small laundry room of a friend of mine's, and he really doesn't have much room to work with. But what I did today, I organized this small space. He had a shelf right here, which are a bunch of hanging baskets that literally go on the back of the laundry door, and the baskets would start up there, and then it would be another one down here, so you'd end up having about 5 going down the door. But when you opened up the door, it would hit the wall, so it wouldn't work back on the door. So what I did, I organized this, and I took those baskets and I took them apart, and then I took some of the rack here, added the hooks so I could put the paper towels here. And then I took one of the baskets and I stuck it right down on the side of the sink because this was just an empty space, wasn't usable. Then I took one of the hooks where it would hang over the door, and I just put it here in case he needs to hang a hanging brush there where he could scrub things out. And then I took this little basket, and he had these waters up here on the top shelf, but they could fall over. So I went ahead and hung this here, and I took the other hanging rack, which goes on the other side of these baskets, and I just turned that across there, and then I hooked this basket down on there, utilizing this space. And then I took another hook here and I hung it from the top down where he could hang his small little handheld vacuum cleaner and just take it off right here. It was in the floor right there where the dryer would open. So I organized that to where he could just hang the handheld right there. So that gives him more footing where you won't trip when you're down here with the dryer. And then when this opens up, nothing gets hit. The handheld vacuum cleaner doesn't get bothered. It doesn't rattle onto the dryer. The water is there. And then again, I just added this wire. It's kind of just a hack. It's just a workaround hack. So you've got your paper towels. I added this extra little basket, which was a wasted space. Added this water basket or here hanging there with a hook. And then the other hook for the handheld vacuum cleaner. And that is taking a small space and organizing it so you can utilize much more space in an organized fashion. And I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.